Create a product benefits image for Amazon like this one using Canva. It's simple with just a few steps. Open Canva and set up a custom size of 1500 by 1500 pixels. Add a product photo and place it in the corner of the image. Click on the background and set a natural green color that complements your product. Go to the text section and add a heading. Use different font styles, sizes, and colors to make the title attractive. Then open the Elements section and choose a circle shape. Place it on the side of the image. This is the base for the future icon. Add relevant text and using the Elements section, find an icon that will complement the text. Group the circle, text, and icon to duplicate and create a set of icons on the image. Add a creative touch to the image that highlights the product's nature. Create a natural shadow for the product using the shadow effect in Canva. Your image is ready for export and uploading to Amazon.